Hi, this is a very quick video about a new platform you may have heard about called Webtalk and how to join it and why you would want to join it. Now it's currently in beta test, membership by invitation only, and as you can probably imagine, there's an invitation link in the description below, so please feel free to check it out and decide for yourself. Now you may be wondering, why would I want another social media platform? There's Facebook and Twitter and Pinterest and Instagram, and on the professional network side there's Xing, there's LinkedIn. Why do I want another one? And that's a good question. And the answer is because none of these platforms allow you to compartmentalize your contacts. So if you're on Facebook, you have friends, contacts. There's no way of saying this is family, these are professional contacts, these are customers. They're all contacts, and anything you put out gets shared with your contacts. Admittedly, that's another problem with Facebook, a small percentage of your contacts. So what Webtalk allows you to do is to compartmentalize your contacts, and I'll show you how this is done and what I mean by this. So if we look over at the screen, I've already logged in and gone to the part where I'd add a new contact. And I've randomly chosen this guy here simply because he looks like a friendly person. So if we click on the connect button, this window comes up and you can say this is a personal contact, either friend, family or acquaintance, or I don't know him personally. You can say it's a professional contact. And you can say, well, how do you know him? You can say he's a customer at my translation and training firm. Or you can say he's a prospective customer. And you can really, you can add tags to this to really narrow down who this person is for you. And you can even go down further, and there's two sliders here which change the weightings you give to their news and their recommendations. So I'll cancel that because obviously we won't want to bother him. So if I then come up to my part of it where I'd make a post, say, I can decide who I want to send this to. Now I can either make the post public, I can make it so everyone sees it, so all my connections, all my professional contacts, all my personal contacts, or the interesting one is custom. So going to custom, I can really say I want to send a confidential message to all prospects of my company, and I add that on. And additionally, I'll send it to all my family members for some reason. I mean, why you want to do this is unclear, but this is the level of control you have. And then I'll just post it. Yeah. And this is, for me, one of the advantages of Webtalk, is it allows you to segment and compartmentalize your contacts, and it's going to be a really good platform. So I'd encourage you to use the link below, have a look, try it out. If you don't like it, okay, then you tried it, you deleted the account, nothing lost. But it might be something that you really, really appreciate and use. Hope to see you on the inside. Bye for now.